everyone. I welcome you all to today's topic Decodified session. In this session today, we are going to talk about a very welcome news for India. That is commissioning of INS Vikrant that is going to happen on 2nd of September. So, I've already revealed the news. So, PM Modi is going to commission Vikrant, country's first indigenously built aircraft. Now, this is here a catch to pay attention to. Carrier on the 2nd September at Kochi. So, please remember these particular facts. And we shall be discussing further about this topic in the following sequence. The key highlights about INS Vikrant, aircraft carrier in India, future endeavors with regards to aircraft carriers, followed by the prelims and mains based practice questions for you all. Before we begin with our discussion, there's a very crucial announcement regarding the courses. GS Paper 2 Polity and IR beginning 1st of September 2022, timing will be 11 a.m. and for GS Paper 4 Ethics September 1, 2022, timings 4 p.m. Public Administration course for optional is also going to begin on 25th of September. You are going to be taught by founder and director of Analyst IAS, Mr. Decodified sir. To inquire further regarding the courses, please contact us on the given numbers, or you can also visit our office in the Old Rajendra Nagar market. And also, there's current affair course that is going to begin in the first week of September itself. Now, let's begin with our discussion. So the key highlights are that with the commissioning of Vikrant, India will have 2 operational aircraft carriers which will bolster the maritime security of our nation. It will increase the maritime security of our nation. So let's talk about INS Vikrant itself without further ado. It is the largest and most complex warship to be built in India so far. In order to commemorate the legacy of INS Vikrant, which has been decommissioned, it was actually an aircraft carrier that got transferred to India from the Britishers. So to actually pay homage to that particular decommissioned aircraft carrier, India's first indigenously developed aircraft carrier will be named INS Vikrant as well. Now, this INS Vikrant has been built at Cochin Shipyard Limited. That's why PM is going to Kochi to inaugurate the same. It is currently undergoing sea trial and is going to be commissioned on 2nd of September. Its construction propelled India to select group of countries having capabilities to build state-of-art aircraft carriers. So India, this is a feat that India has achieved, that it has built its own, indigenously, it has built its own aircraft carrier. The operational modalities of INS Vikrant, according to Indian Navy, are operating MiG-29K fighter jets, COMMOV-31 helicopters, MH-60R multi-role helicopters, and the indigenously manufactured advanced light helicopters, that is Tejas, right? So, aircraft carriers in India, we know there are going to be 2, so there must be another one apart from Vikrant which is going to be commissioned. So, it is INS Vikramaditya. It is Indian Navy's largest aircraft as of today, aircraft carrier as of today, and warship converted from the Russian Navy's decommissioned Admiral Gorshov or Baku. So this was decommissioned in Russia. India acquired it and made it useful for itself. So INS Vikramaditya is a modified Kiev class aircraft. See, I am telling you that it's not Russia decommissioned it and we got it, so we are doing something degradeful for ourselves. No, we modified it. We made it useful for ourselves. We made it workable for ourselves. It is a Kiev class aircraft carrier that was commissioned into service in November 2013 in India. Now, what all are the future endeavors now that we have built our own aircraft carrier? Of course, we are not going to stop here, right? We are going to go ahead with this endeavor. So future endeavor, as far as that is concerned, since 2015, the Navy has been seeking approval to build a third aircraft carrier for the country, which, if approved, will be becoming India's second indigenous aircraft IAC 2. IAC 1 is Vikrant, and this proposed IAC 2 is going to be named as INS Vishal and is intended to be a giant 65,000 ton vessel, much bigger than IAC 1 and the INS Vikramaditya as well. So let's hope that the work with regards to this starts as soon as possible. Now, this was all the information that I had to share with you with regards to this particular topic. Now let's look at the prelims practice question. Consider the following statements. Number 1, indigenously developed aircraft carrier. 1, Vikrant is India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. Number 2, it derives its name from India's first aircraft, INS Vikrant, which is still in operation. So, the combinations are A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, and D, neither one not. You have to pick the correct option as your answer. So, go ahead and put your answer in the comment box below. You can pause the video and do the same. So, the answer for this particular question is C. IAC 1 Vikrant is India's first indigenous aircraft. Yes, correct. But is the older INS Vikrant still on operation? No, it has been decommissioned even from India. Right? So hence, the second statement is wrong. That's why we have to eliminate these, and hence our answer is A, 1 only for this particular question. Now, let's look at the main practice question for today. India's coasts have always been vulnerable to criminals and anti-national activities. Discussing the possible threats, highlight the measures undertaken for coastal security in India. You'll be answering this particular question in 250 words and sending your answers to us on WhatsApp to get them reviewed. This is it for today. I shall see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining in.